Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to conduct an information and communication technology class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 5, page number 68 to 66, 69, reading plus discussion. I repeat, our today's topic is Chapter 5, page number 68 to 69, reading plus discussion. Dear students, look here, this is our lecture number 10 and SW number 9 on our annual term syllabus. Dear students, this is to inform you that the name of our chapter is Academic Information in Internet. In our last class, we learned 2 pages and inshallah we will read and learn 2 pages. These are page number 68 and 69 and discuss also. So, in this connection, I request all of my beloved students of class 7 to open your Information and Communication Technology book. This book, Information and Communication Technology book, class 7, page number 68. Page number 68 and 69 we will read and discuss. Okay, I have already told you the title is Academic Information in the Internet, and in these 2 pages we will have some useful important academic websites. Okay, and at first we will start academic information in the Internet. The world famous University of America, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, in short it is called MIT, offers different courses in their websites. Visiting http://ocw.mit.education/index.htm. Anybody from any country can complete the course after the registration. Not only in English, is academic curriculum in Bengali flourishing too. Dear students, here it is written, that means world famous universities named Massachusetts or MIT. It is located in USA. Okay, in this university we can run or we can do a course not only in English, but also we can do it in Bangla also. Not only in English done. All the academic textbook of the school level have been posted in the internet as an e-book format by the government. You can download your necessary e-book edition from this website. So, look at the website, it is www, I have already told you, www represent worldwideweb.ebook.gov.bd, ebook.com. Some academic courses have been running in Bengali language. So, look here, www.shikhok.com. In our last class or last 2 classes, we talked about shikhok.com. Is a site like this where mathematics, environmental science, computer, technology, etc. are being taught. That means in our country, the name of the website is www.shikhok.com. Here we can learn, or as a students we can learn mathematics, science or other subject also. That means different types, different important subjects are taught or are learned in www.shikhok.com. The easiest way of getting a bit of academic information is to look for information in a search engine. To search a bit of information, the name should be written in correct spelling. That means if you want to search any kind of information, your data should be correct. An example of searching, so look here, Newton's laws of motions in the search engine Google is shown here. It is also noticed that at least 2 lakh websites or videos contain information of this item. Dear students, here it is written, that means Newton's laws of motions. We all know Newton is very much famous for his laws of motions. Whenever with this information it is searched in the internet, at least 2 lakhs. How many? At least 2 lakhs informations are found in the internet and related in these connections. If you write is correct spelling, you will get numerous links about any information. You need to be skilled in using search engine to find out information from the internet. If you use it regularly, you will easily be skilled in the internet. Dear students, look here. That means to use internet, we need to be skilled in using search engine. So, can I ask you a simple questions? What are search engine? Okay. In these connections, I will give you 3 or 4 examples. That means search engine. Different types of search engines are found. For example, Google. For example, Yahoo.com, Bing, Ask.com, and Baidu. These are the examples of search engines. I hope you have already known this. You need to be skilled in using search engine to find out information from the internet. If you use it regularly, you will easily be skilled in the internet. So, look here, that means after using regularly, we will be skilled in the internet. Very common thing. You will get the links of information of education in the internet through right browsing. That means proper browsing. The followings are the education related websites. Dear students, here I want to tell you, that means now we will read some important education related websites. I repeat, now we will read some important education related websites which will enrich our education system on online. Number 1, look, number 1, www.ebook.com.bd. It is the websites of ebooks of Bangladesh. So, look, www.ebook.gov.bd. Okay, try to memorize the address. Very much useful address. It is the website of ebooks of Bangladesh. The digital editions of the books of all the classes are found here. You can read the book on the monitor of the computer. You can download any of the textbook of your class. The academic books of your elder and younger brothers and sister can be downloaded from these sites. Here it is written, that means all kinds of academic books, all kinds of academic textbook you can download after going the website, useful website. It is www.ebook.gov.com. So, look, number 2 is www.mo. That means Ministry of Education. MO represents Ministry of Education. That means edu.bd. I repeat, www.mo.edu.gov.bd. It is the website of Ministry of Education of Bangladesh. So, look here, this is very famous, okay, because this website is for the Ministry of Education of Bangladesh. All the policy making decisions and directives. So, look here, all the policy making decisions and directives regarding the educational system are circulated through this website. That means we get all kinds of information. For example, those who are the students of PSC and JSC students, okay, those who are the students of PSC and JSC, their exam will be held or not. In this connection, we need to go to use it is www.moedu.bd. Okay, after going there, we can easily find whether our PSC or JSC, that means any types of exams will be held or not in this corona pandemic situations. People can collect information of the national education policy, creative system of education, the date of public examinations. So, look here, I have already told you the date of public examinations, result, etc. The last address is www.wikipedia.org, that means organization. Another one is http://bn, okay, BN represent Bangladesh .wikipedia.organizations. It is the most enormous and free encyclopedia. Enormous means much, means affluent, okay, not a little, it is much, and free encyclopedia of the internet. The people of the whole world volunteered to initiate this website. It provides people with information in almost 200 languages. So, look here, that means it gives us, okay, so look here, it renders a service of 200 languages, not only our mother tongue Bangla, not only international language English, that means we get here 200 language service books. Okay, and English language version of the encyclopedia is essential for us. You will get over 40 lakhs. So, look here, you will get here over 40 lakhs articles in the English here, and some of the articles are education related. There is a search box in the Wikipedia. After writing the name of the subject you want to search in the correct spelling, press the enter button and you will get the search result. You know this. The Wikipedia is not very enriched in Bangla, and Bengali it has only 23,000. So look here, it is 23,000 articles and can get you required information from here. So we have seen here that means 40 lakh articles related in English and 23,000 articles are related in Bangla, and can get your required information from here. The last one is, so look here, the last education related website is www.khanacademy. So look, www.khanacademy.org. It is the most popular website of education in the world. Salman Khan, a Bangladeshi born educationist, is the founder of the site. Okay, this is the last, that means fourth number education related website. Dear students, we have finished our reading session. Okay, that means if I tell you in the summary, as a summary, I want to tell you that today we have learned, that means all types of education related websites in the internet. That means here it is given 4 types of education related informations. I hope all of you have understood this class and enjoyed this class. So look at the end of our board, it is written your SW number 9. So here also written lecture number 10 and SW number 9. Okay, look here, it is written chapter 5, page number 68 to 69, make 5 MCQ. That means after reading these 2 pages, you will prepare only 5 MCQs. How many? Only 5 MCQs you will prepare. So dear students, look here, it is written messenger, that means Abul Kalam. If anybody has any single query, to write me in the comment box, inshallah I will give the answer of your questions. And finally, abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.